Hi everyone, welcome to SQL Guys channel. In this video, we are going to discuss on how to modify the column data type. So the syntax is different in different databases. So in order to change the structure of the table, you are going to use alter table statement. So in MS SQL Server, the syntax is alter table, table name, alter column, and the column name and the new data type. MySQL, so the syntax is alter table, table name, modify column, column name, data type. And similarly in Oracle SQL, the syntax is alter table, table name, modify, and you don't need to specifically mention column like in MySQL. You can just give column name and data type. So here in the employee table, I have the phone number. So if I try to insert phone number, I'm getting an error like out of range of value for column phone number at row 1, because if you see the structure of the table, so the phone number is assigned as integer. So I'm going to change it as the string, because the phone numbers were not going to aggregate those values, so we can just assign it as a string data type. Alter table, table name, modify column, and the column name is phone underscore number. I'm going to give varchar of 10. Let me run this query. So if you see the structure of the table now, the phone number data type is changed to varchar.